Hey Dean, this photo essay is amazing. Let me just start by telling you that these photos, I love the details that you really understood to put in each photograph. I love this one, just the hallway with this little like splash of light. And it's that feeling of walking down the stairs and starting your day in this little splash of light. And then you look out the window um, at this empty street. And see a lonely wet road. Love that, with only a few pigeons. This one is amazing. The Brooklyn Bridge, and wanting to cross the bridge to go into the city. I think this is one of my favorites. This feeling of going down into the basement and the white walls, and that it's not yet light down there. Just love it. I love the. I don't know if you meant it, but I love the symbolism in that. And then here you are, setting yourself up for work. It's outstanding. It's so great. The only one thing that you need to do is give it a title and a cover. But you really got what I was trying to get kids to get, and you did it with very, I'm going to say, thoughtfully is really what I love the most about it. The thought that was put into it. So awesome job, my friend. Really great.